Hey guys, this is Leonardo Fire Alarm here. My name is Leonardo BFB Book Crying. Today we will do a new setup. It's smoke detector. Fire alarm section number one. Today we have two exit signs here on the board. This one's on, this one's off, but this one's already off. But I don't know. This one isn't working. This one is working. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's do a demonstration. It's the whole demonstration board. Put that away first. Right here is my commercial electric green exit sign combo. All of a sudden, the arrow right here pointing to the closet door because where the exit is. That's why I need to use this thing. And also there's a red LED light and the test button on next to the light. So yeah, right next to the light. Sorry. Right here is my Kita. Hold on, let me check the model number of this thing. Hold on, screw this. Okay, there we go. It's the I9010 smoke alarm. I don't know. Yeah, this one is really loud. I'm gonna test this smoke detector later. Yeah, this one's already mentioned. Right here is my Kita. FireX smoke alarm. It's not even AC right now because it's not already plugged in. Right here is my Lithonia lighting exit sign, LED exit sign combo. This one's in red, but all of a sudden, on the sun down there, the exit sign is off. So, yeah, we're not gonna test this one today because it's off, but it's okay for you. Why not? Today, the first one I'm gonna do is the the commercial electric exit sign combo. This is used for ice cream shops or stores, so everyone just like to play for fun. So right here is the red AC online and the test one here. You can also put a knockout here as well. So we're connected to the whole is. So we're gonna ahead and press the button. It's already connected to the special cord. And the emergency lights will go on. This head is pointing over there. And this head over there, so just go ahead and just press the button down there, see what happens. See all of them work. So yeah, it looks like a really nice thing, but yeah. Yeah. Next we're gonna test this one right here. It's loud. This one's really loud. Really loud. And down there is we're gonna test this one now. Oh, that was loud. Makes me deaf. Let's reset this. And let's go ahead and push the thing. I'm not gonna test this one today, so the lights didn't go on, as you can see. This thing, it's from Lithonia Lighting, so yeah, I'm not testing this one. And we're going ahead and do the whole system, except for this thing. Alright, let's go ahead and do the demonstration now. So unplug it. Wow, this is really loud. Well, that's all of it though. all simulating so loud. It's really loud and annoying, so let me set this. There you go. So, we're going ahead and unplug it. It's already have a minute battery on emergency mode, so this is really nice. However, why not? Alright. So that was the system. Please rate, comment the system below. So thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe to my description.